Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now I am going to get discuss about the magnetic hysteresis. So what is the magnetic hysteresis? So for this, let me discuss here the graph by the graph between B and H. So here this is a solenoid, okay, and this is any material like this, which is initially demagnetized. Initially it is unmagnetized, and whenever it placed into this solenoid, okay, and whenever it placed inside the solenoid and passing some current like I, so it magnetized gradually, and we will show this by the graph between B and H. So any magnetic material like this is any magnetic material which is initially demagnetized, and whenever it placed inside the solenoid and passing some current I, then it gradually magnetized, okay. So as well as the value of current increases, this is B, its unit is Tesla, and this is H, its unit is ampere per meter, okay. So this is initial point O. It means this is initial stage when the material is unmagnetized, but whenever that material placed into the solenoid, okay, into the solenoid like this, यहाँ पर ये सोलेनोइड था और यहाँ पर हमने वो मटेरियल को प्लेस कर दिया था सोलेनोइड के अंदर, और इसमें हमने कुछ करंट पास किया था, तो ये अब ये मैग्नेटाइज होना स्टार्ट करेगा. सो इनिशियली इट स्टार्ट और इट गेट स्टार्ट टू मैग्नेटाइजेशन एंड इट इंक्रीजेज लाइक दिस up to its maximum value of the magnetic field or its saturation stage, okay. As well as the amount of current increases, the value of magnetic field B will be increased, but such a stage will come when from the saturation stage. This is saturation condition or stage, and the magnetic field whatever be found in this stage, that is the saturated magnetic field, and its value is 1.5 Tesla. After that, if we increase the current, then this current or value of magnetic field will not be increased. It's shown in the OA curve. After that, if अब क्या है कि यहाँ पर करंट का अमाउंट इंक्रीज करने से बी की वैल्यू इंक्रीज नहीं हो रही, तो अब हम इसको डिक्रीज करने लगेंगे बैक डायरेक्शन में. अब हमने क्या किया कि एच की वैल्यू को डिक्रीज करेंगे, तो ये एच की वैल्यू जैसे पीछे आते जाएंगे, एंड लेट वी स्टार्ट द डिक्रीजेज वैल्यू ऑफ एच, एंड सच अ कंडीशन कम व्हेन द वैल्यू ऑफ एच इज 0 and B cannot be 0. At this point, the value of B is equals to 1.2 Tesla. Okay, this is the value of magnetic field at this point, like A C point. This curve AC shown this, okay, and this condition is known as retentivity. So whenever the value of H decreases and such a condition come whenever H becomes 0 and B cannot 0. Okay, this situation is known as retentivity. Okay, as shown in AC curve. नोट करते जाइएगा सारी चीजें. So initially whenever some current is passing and gradually increases the current, then the value of magnetic field will be increased gradually, and such a condition come when the saturation stage formed. It means the value of magnetic field will not increase after increasing the current. So this is the saturation stage. And now let me draw the curve OA. After that, if we decreases the value of H and such a condition come where the H becomes 0 or B cannot 0, its value is 1.2 Tesla formed. So this situation is known as retentivity. And after that, if we increases the value of H in negative direction, then a condition will come when B becomes 0 but H cannot be 0, and in this situation H value of H is 90 ampere per meter. So this condition is known as coercivity. Okay, like this CD curve, and after which if we increases more negative value of H, then again form the saturation stage in the negative direction of the magnetic field. Okay, this is DE curve. Okay, and again this form saturation condition, and this value is 1.5 Tesla. So now after that, if we increases the value of H in a positive direction like this, then it repeat the same value whatever we form in OA, AD and DE curve. It repeated the same process. Okay, E, F, F, G and G, A. Okay, so देखिएगा सेचुरेशन स्टेज पर वैल्यू जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की थी 1.5, और जब हम H की वैल्यू डिक्रीज करेंगे तो B की वैल्यू 1.2 टेस्ला मिली. इट मींस द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की जो वैल्यू है वो क्या हुई, डिक्रीज कर गई. इट मींस लैगिंग बिहाइंड. ओके, पीछे आ गए. सो फॉर द पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू ऑफ H, B doesn't have a unique value. So simply we can say that for the given value of H, B doesn't have a unique value. It means the value of B lagging behind. Okay, कुछ ना कुछ इसमें decreasement होगा, and this decreasement of the magnetic field is known as hysteresis or magnetic hysteresis. Okay.